Ever spent hours wrestling with a spreadsheet, desperately trying to make sense of your finances? You're not alone. For many freelancers and small business owners, bookkeeping feels like a necessary evil, a time-consuming chore that sucks the joy out of running your dream. That's where Wave comes in. Wave promises a user-friendly, free accounting solution designed to simplify your financial life. But with so many free apps out there, a question pops up. How exactly does Wave keep the lights on? And more importantly, is there a catch? This video dives deep into the world of Wave, exploring its business model and how it generates revenue. We'll uncover the hidden gems behind the free tier, the value proposition for paying customers, and ultimately, answer the burning question, is Wave really free? Now, before we dissect Wave's money machine, let's rewind. Traditional accounting software can be a beast. Expensive, clunky interfaces, and a learning curve steeper than Mount Everest make them a non-starter for many small businesses. Here's where Wave shines. Their platform is free, intuitive, and accessible. You can create invoices, track expenses, reconcile bank statements, and even accept online payments, all with a few clicks. It's the financial management equivalent of throwing on a comfy sweater, easy and stress-free. So, how does Wave, this financial oasis in the bookkeeping desert, make money? Here's where things get interesting. Wave employs a freemium model, which means they offer a basic package with core features for free, alongside premium services with additional functionalities for a fee. Let's break down the free tier. It's perfect for freelancers and solopreneurs with simple financial needs. You can create and send unlimited invoices, track income and expenses, and generate basic reports. It's a solid foundation for managing your business finances. But what if you need more? Here's where Wave's premium services come into play. These are designed for businesses with growing complexities. For example, the Payments feature, a paid add-on, allows you to accept credit card payments directly through Wave, eliminating the need for third-party processors and their associated fees. Another perk? Payroll processing. This can be a major headache for small businesses, and Wave offers a streamlined solution for managing payroll within the platform. There's also the Bills feature, which automates bill payments and keeps you on top of your financial obligations. And for those who crave deeper financial insights, Wave offers advanced reporting tools that go beyond basic summaries. These paid services provide significant value for businesses that have outgrown the free tier's capabilities. But Wave's revenue streams extend beyond premium features. They also offer integrations with popular business tools like Stripe and Gusto. These integrations allow for a smooth flow of data between platforms, enhancing user experience and potentially increasing customer loyalty. Here's a potential catch: some integrations might incur additional fees. It's crucial to research these costs before diving in. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: is Wave truly free? The answer, like most things in life, is nuanced. The core features are free, which is fantastic for basic needs. However, as your business grows, the limitations of the free tier become apparent. Upgrading to premium services unlocks valuable functionalities, but that comes with a cost. So, Wave isn't entirely free, but it offers a free entry point with the option to scale your usage as your business demands. Ultimately, Wave's freemium model provides a win-win situation. Users get a user-friendly platform to manage their finances with the option to upgrade for advanced features. Wave, in turn, generates revenue through premium services, integrations, and potentially anonymized data analysis. It's important to check their privacy policy for details. So, is Wave worth it? Absolutely. It offers a compelling alternative to expensive, complex accounting software. Whether you're a freelancer just starting out or a small business owner navigating growth, Wave's freemium model allows you to manage your finances effectively with the freedom to upgrade as needed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.